So slept on, no Tempur-Pedic, but that's why I gotta dream it. Got a vision, now they see it. But they wanna ride, they used to hate, but it ain't gon' slide. I put this rapping on my life, I put this rapping on my life. My dogs, no pedals. Don't care what them hoes say, no Cuervo. You say you really out here, but you ain't even there though. And I ain't talk about Robert when I say I need dinero, Man, I'm talking.
Remove another 10 mil. So right now we are taking off the old harness that been cut up from Japan. Okay, so for OBD1 cars, you gotta cut the injectors from the OBD2 engine, whatever engine you get, whether it be the H23 or the L20B, and you gotta wire these to the old harness, cause the OBD1 harness got the plugs with the little metal clips on the side, and these got just the two push styles where you just pull it out. So you gotta wire these, and to wire them is pretty simple. The colors are never the same, but it's always one constant. Like for these, if you notice, every one of them got a yellow wire. See, all of them got a yellow wire with a black striping coming. See that? That's a plain yellow. That's got the black stripe. That's got the black stripe. That's got the black stripe. So that's always the harness that came out of the car is gonna have a color that's the same. Always wire that color that's the same with this color that's the same, if it makes any sense. So this is the harness from out of the car. As you can see, it's got the red wire that stays constant, the red with the black. And all you gotta do is match that red with the black with this yellow with the black on these plugs. The ones that change color don't matter what order they go in, but as long as the red with the black go with the yellow with the black all the way across, it's gonna fire right up. Okay guys, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 all wired up. Once I slide this into the little plastic case like this, and you mount it on the motor, you'll never know they were cut. And she's good to go now. Alright, so now that we got the harness right, we're gonna attempt to install it on the motor. And after that, only thing that'll be left is set it back in the car, which we'll probably do that either tomorrow or Thursday. But we're not gonna put the rads and stuff back just yet, because he did order a set of headers. So he'll probably mount those up before, you know, finishing it, because it ain't much space. This ain't like the trap car. These cars, the engine sit farther forward, so it's not as much space at the front as it is on the trap car.
Shake a little gas off.
Shake up the excess gas.
That's a good thing.
Damn, I mean, the amount of fucking bleed. Even one of them old paper towels. Yeah, so this is where we're gonna wrap this up. I don't know exactly how much footage we got. I don't know how long this video will be, but it's solely dedicated to getting this harness put together so that next video I'll see we'll be putting it back in the car. But few changes we did to the harness is we redid the VTEC solenoid because the pin would come out the back of the plug, so we just cut the one off the JDM motor, wired that one up there. What else? Oh, and the oil pressure. Y'all can't see none of this shit. I swear y'all can't. But the oil pressure from the JDM motor is different. Just know that, because I can't get the damn one, both of them black as hell. But the JDM motor has a screw that with like a little, the wire got like a little loop on the end, and you stick the screw through it and tighten it down. Whereas the USDM motor has like a little thing that plugs onto it, kind of like a nipple or something, kind of like the temperature sensor on this. So you gotta just cut the wire off and just wire the piece of wire from the other one so you can use the loop. That's all. No big deal. We got everything ran up here. We got the injectors wired up, looking good. We got the wire going to the alternator, ran across good. Yeah, everything else is pretty good. Usually these are always bad, so we don't even worry about hooking those up. We just delete them out the computer. But yeah, it's pretty. It's actually, man, really simple doing this. So it's not a whole lot to explain. It's just most of it plug and play. Some of it you got to reroute. That's why you see all of this is untaped, because you got to reroute some of it. But I mean, for the most part, it's a plug and play type of deal. A lot of the stuff remains the same on these engines. So yeah, anybody can really do it as long as you take your time with it. If you don't know something, look into it, look it up on, Google and forums and stuff. There's always information. It's been done 1,000 times. But yeah, hopefully we'll throw it in there tomorrow or either, what's tomorrow? That's Wednesday. Yeah, so tomorrow, either Thursday, we'll be able to drop it back in so that we can have that video for y'all by Friday. But looking forward to seeing what this bad boy make on the dyno. This is an automatic version, and they say that the throttle body is slightly smaller on these than on the manual transmission version. I don't know how true that is because I never had one side by side. What do you think? It looks smaller?
Yeah, to me it do. It looked about the same size as the one on the stock motor with it. But they also said something about the cams ain't aggressive, like they ain't got Type S cams like it's 5-speed and that.
I guess.
We'll see. Now I have had one guy say no difference.
Right, I don't think it's that much of a difference because this one's supposed to make 180 and the other one makes 200. And that's to the crank. That's like stock to the crank.
Yeah.
So you'll probably see like, I'm gonna guess at least 186 because tunes always open it up from factory. So
yeah,
you should at least see 186 to 190 and yeah, probably about 130 foot-pounds of torque. That's just, these motors ain't got no torque.
A little 2-liter displacement.
Yeah.
Fighting itself.
Cause mine was like, what, 194?
Horsepower, and then like
144 foot-pounds of torque. It was good.
My non-VTEC up there, but what was it, like 138 foot-pounds of torque?
Right there behind me, man.
But yeah, ain't so much bigger block, but it's just that little bit more torque.
But that's what I'm saying, but VTEC, the VTEC make everything a whole lot different.
I I ain't gonna lie, man. I kind of wasted my time with that F20b, bro. The price I paid, I should just went over and got it.
Oh, the L22. I know, man, cause like when you told me what you had to pay and that was like to get it shit, I was like, damn, you wanted like 800 or something.
It was $799, $800 flat.
Dang.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a lot of money. Cause them 23, the J spec is 740. I mean, I'm trying to stray away from that because I done had 3 of them already, man. That's like the only motor I be buying. I want me another L20 because I keep looking at numbers. I done got so used to making raw power that I don't be wanting to get this, but this motor is like the funnest motor, like when you just be hanging curves and stuff. Cause it like to be tacked up all day. So. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna end this video here, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And as always, like, share, subscribe. Respect all bills. Peace out.
Damn, son. Now, the way you gonna lock this shed, you got to bear with me. Shit. Bro, where the fucking lock is?